Hello students, I hope you are all doing safe in this quarantine period. Be safe, wear mask if you want to go outside. Improve yourself in this quarantine period. Do whatever you want to do in order to become sane in this quarantine period. Be physically and mentally fit, try to be. So now we will go into the another lesson called chemistry in everyday life. Um, what are we going to discuss in this lesson is that where and all we are using chemistry, where and all we are using our chemicals. We are going to discuss about that. The one first thing we remember about chemistry, uh, chemistry in everyday life is drug. This English word is derived from this word drug. This is why we are calling it as drug means it is used for the purpose of medicine, for diagnosis, for prevention, or cure or a relief of some kind of pain. uh, those chemicals are called as drugs. So there are certain classifications of drugs. We will see based on what these drugs are classified. First one, in classification, first type of classification is based on chemical structure based drugs. For example, penicillin. If we take penicillin, this is used for viral diseases, viral fever, etc. This penicillin injection, we have studied this drug. There are so many types of penicillin based upon the structure. So I will give a short glimpse of this structure. So this is classification based on structure, students. See, for penicillin we have CH2 here. For penicillin G, for penicillin V, with CH2 we will have a oxygen ether bond, this single bond, ether bond. That's why the variation in the structure, we are seeing the variation in the structure of the uh, chemical turned into another drug. So now if we see ampicillin, we can clearly see that the O is replaced by NH2, so we are getting ampicillin. So if we add OH alcohol type, it will become amoxicillin. So if we put CH3O, CH3O, that is some ether compound, it will become methicillin. So this is about the classification of drugs based on structure. So the next type is based on pharmacological effect. What is pharmacological effect? Is that based on some biological effect in your body. Based on some biological effect in the sense, if you are affected by fever, so if you are getting some headache, if you are affected by for example, any pathogen, if you are affected by any pathogen, if we are affected by any pathogen, so based on the pathogen, our doctors will prescribe, the physician or the doctors will prescribe some drugs. These drugs will be based upon these pathogens, and it is called as based on the pharmacological effect. For example, antibiotic drugs, amoxicillin, ampicillin, etc. These are some of the examples based on your body condition and your by which disease you are getting affected. The drugs are classified. So that is pharmacological effect. So the third type is target system. What is the drug based on target system is that if you put some streptomycin or erythromycin. For example, we'll take this erythromycin. These two drugs, where they attack, that is where they target in our body, or the action they do, based on the action they do. So because of this they are classified in the target system. So this is classification based on target system. Next, based on the site of action. For example, for fourth type is based on the uh, site of action. For example, particular enzymes, hormones, receptors, etc. So these are called as drug targets. So these are all the drugs classification of drugs. This is how the drugs are classified for each and every category. So we'll see next topic.